The first thing that you need to do is go to canva.com and create your free account. Once you've done that, you can go to create a design and you need to create first a video. So go to videos here and I would create a 1920 by 1080 video. That's going to be a landscape video. If you want a vertical solution though, you can choose TikTok video or mobile video. For me though, I'm going to create a landscape GIF. So here we are inside of the Canva video editor. What you then need to do is go to uploads, then click upload files, and then you can choose the video clip that you want to turn into a GIF. So I've already uploaded it. Any video that you do upload will be in the videos section, and you can then drag it on to the screen. Now, what you might find is the clip is too small, so we're going to resize this a little bit. Now, the next thing that I would recommend you do is remove the audio. So if you click on audio, you can actually turn this down all the way. So now when you're editing it, you won't hear the audio. A GIF won't have audio anyway, so you don't actually need the audio. So now you need to choose the part of the video that you want to include in the GIF. You can do that by shortening the length of the video. You can also cut out specific segments of that video. So you could go ahead and click somewhere. You could right click on the screen and then you could split the page. This just means you can split the clip and you can choose here the perfect part of the video that you want to turn into a GIF. So let's say we're going to create this GIF. Now we will go to share in the top right hand corner. You will then click on download and then change the file type from MP4 video to GIF. You can see short clip, no sound. Click on that, then click download and it will then download your GIF. Once it's finished downloading, it's going to probably go to your downloads and then you can double click, open it, and then you will have a fully functional working GIF. So I hope that helped.